You have been working out for weeks, maybe even months, but when you look in the mirror, nothing seems to change. Your muscles are not growing, the fat is not melting away, and you feel stuck. It is frustrating, I know. Here is the truth. It is not your genetics, it is not bad luck, and it is not that your body is broken. The real problem is the way you are approaching your training. And today, I'm going to break down the 5 biggest reasons why your workouts are not working and exactly how to fix them. The first reason is what I call the random workout trap. Most people walk into the gym without a plan. They hit chest one day, arms the next, maybe some cardio if they feel guilty, and then repeat the cycle. But the body does not grow from random effort. It grows through progressive overload, which means consistently challenging yourself and getting stronger over time. The fix is simple. Follow a structured plan. Track your lifts. Do not just exercise for the sake of moving. Train with direction and purpose. The second reason is that you are not training hard enough. Be honest with yourself. Are you really pushing your body or just going through the motions? If you can scroll on your phone between sets, if you are leaving the gym without feeling truly challenged, then you are not training. You are just existing. Real progress happens when you push close to failure, when that last rep feels almost impossible. That is the moment when your muscles are forced to adapt and grow. The third reason is that your diet is canceling out your effort. You can train like an athlete, but if your nutrition is poor, you will not see results. If you are eating too little, you will not build muscle. If you are eating too much junk, you will gain fat instead of strength. And if you are not getting enough protein, your muscles will not repair properly. To fix this, align your diet with your goals. If you want muscle, eat in a slight calorie surplus with plenty of protein. If you want fat loss, eat in a calorie deficit but still keep protein high to protect your muscle. The fourth reason is recovery. Many people believe more is always better. They crush themselves in the gym every single day, but they sleep 4 or 5 hours and never allow their body to recover. What they do not realize is that muscles do not grow in the gym. They grow during rest. If you are not sleeping 7 to 8 hours a night, if you are not taking recovery seriously, you are slowing down your own progress. Rest is not a weakness. It is part of the process. The fifth and final reason is unrealistic expectations. This one destroys more progress than bad workouts ever will. People expect dramatic change in just a few weeks, and when it does not happen, they quit. But fitness is a long game. It takes weeks to feel progress, months to see it, and years to truly transform your body. The fix here is mindset. Stay consistent, trust the process, and remember that real results compound over time. So if your workouts are not working, it is not because something is wrong with you. It is because of these mistakes: random training, lack of effort, poor nutrition, weak recovery, or giving up too soon. Fix these, and your body has no choice but to change. Do not just show up to the gym. Show up with purpose.